Hello everybody, I got another package here. It's been a while, as I know, but it's actually quite hard keeping up with the videos, but I'll certainly do my best this year. Anyway, I have a new one, as well as various other videos I still have to do, like various requests and stuff. But I did get another box arrived just after Christmas for one of my contacts over at Banggood. So I'll send you the link to the product when I show it. Anyway, okay, so here it is. So let's have a look to see what my friend sent me. Let's open it up and find out what we got here. It looks like another USB, so not a USB, so it looks like a receiver. Yep, it's a mini radio, quick start, okay. Not much on there at the minute, so let's get it unboxed and have a look. Okay, so it looks similar to one I got earlier, later on last year. I'll put a link to the to that video above, to the top corner there. So we have a loop antenna. It doesn't say really much on it. It's 10 kilohertz, 280 megahertz. And we've got your telescopic antenna. Yep. And we have, what's this? This is a USB-C charger cable, I'm guessing that's what that is. And the little unit itself. So let's get rid of this box. This is a smaller unit. I'm just going to quickly zoom in. So give me a second here. Shall I zoom or shall I just move it in? Let's just move it in. Okay, now then, not too sure how this picture's going to come out. Let's have a look. Oh, it's just a shadow. Okay, let's put it at a slight angle here. So I haven't got a decent camera yet, so I do apologise. So let's put it at a slight angle so I can get the light on it. Okay, so what do we have? It is a ATS Mini V4, an AM, FM, lower sideband and upper sideband. AMNVOLT. I think it's the same brand as the other one I had. I'm not 100% sure. So on the side you have a 3.5mm headphone jack. You've got the USB-C port there, which I'm guessing is where you charge it. You've got the antenna point, and oh, that must be maybe where the speaker is under there. A little hole there, I'm not sure what that is. Maybe it's a reset. Oh, and looks like an on-off switch there. Oh, it is. Right, okay, so let's turn that off. Okay, so let's attach, and let's just use the telescopic antenna for now. Okay, let's get that extended out. Okay, I'm just going to alter the camera again, as we're going to be turning it on, so we need to have a good picture of the screen and what it's seeing. Okay, let's see what it's like when I turn it on. There we go. Okay. So that sounds like French to me. I'm just going to move the camera so I can see the frequencies. Okay, that sounds like French to me. Okay, so you've got the rotation tuner. Since it's already on VHF, let's have a look at... okay, don't want to waste the battery. Okay, let's have a look. So we got settings, brightness, calibration, ODG, ATS, or radio descriptive service, I believe that used to be called. UTC offset, FM region, theme, layout, zoom menu, scroll direction, sleep mode. What's that say? Load. Okay, and then there's Wi-Fi. Ah, okay, interesting. What else have we got? And about. Right, that's back again. So what else do we press about? Alright, okay, so there's a QR code you can scan there. I guess it takes you to the website or the instructions. What else do we have? Settings. What's this Wi-Fi thing? Oh, okay, Wi-Fi. Off. AP only, AP and connect, sync only, off. Okay, so we've got quite a few little settings in here. Yeah, okay, let's seek. Is it seeking? Oh, there's the ATS there. I'm not too sure if that's... Is that seeking automatically? Let's go at the bottom end. I don't know if there's a quick way to go. Oh, you can't jump to the bottom. Okay, so you got to go back down again. Oh, it is seeking. Let's see if I can find one with a bit of a gap, but it is FM, so I think it's quite a tight spectrum from what I remember. Don't listen to broadcast radio much. Yeah, it is. It's automatically seeking. Okay, so let's get the volume down because I don't want to get the where the hell's the volume? There it is. I don't want to get the video like flagged just for playing music for too long. Okay, so what else do we have? A quick look around here. We've got mode. Let's have a quick look in modes. Oh no, okay, so that's just the mode we're in. So where would we go? Oh, hold on. Seek, where did I see band? Where did I see band? Why can't I get the band? There it is, band. Oh, right, okay, so we have VHF, all. I'm loading SSB there. 11 meters, 13 meters, 15 meters, it's a 16, 19, 22, 25, 31, 41, 49, 50, 75, 90. Medium wave, I'm guessing. Medium wave bandwidth 3, 2, 1. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. 160 meters. Switching into SSB there by the looks of it automatically. 80 meters. 40, 30, 20, 17, 15, 12, 11. Okay, so quite a few on CB there as well. Okay, so this could take a while to get used to this thing then. So what happens if I go into... Let's go to... I don't think CB is much used over here or at the minute. Let's just pick a random one. 30 meters. I don't think I'm going to find anything yet. As I say, I'm just playing with it. What else is there? Oh, we could try a seek. Doesn't seem to want to do anything there. Okay. What do we got? Scan, step. What's scan do? Oh, it's brought up a anything there? Oh, interesting. Okay, I suppose I'll have to play with this a little bit more. once I've had a play, I'll come back on again. I'll show you what I've found, or things that are confusing me. So that's when you guys can jump in and say, oh well, you're numpty, this is what that's for. Anyway, so this is a new radio that's been sent to me. It's a digital I can't remember what chip it uses receiver. Seems to be pretty good. It seems a lot better than it seems to have more functionality than the other one I had, especially that scan function. That looks like it might be interesting. I suppose it all depends how well it works. Anyway, that's me for the day. As I say, it's been a while, so I hope you stick around, and let's see how this little radio works out. 7 threes. Good night.